very important passengers to collect, and it's my... Bless you.
I had a bit of confusion and delay on our journey here.
I'll get him on the horn. Get it? On the horn? Oops. Hold on. Gotta sneeze. That gum, I lost it. Hey, I'll see it flows. I found it. Hey, watch your step.
That's not bad. Not bad at all. It's rather good, I think. Oh, no! Hold it! Oh, no! No! Help!
Yeah, I never thought to listen to such teensy noises before.
Oh, no! No, Lumpy! Hold in your sneeze!
But you can't really tell, especially when I twirl it like this. I'm H2O intolerant. I'm obnoxious. Oh, look at me! I'm gonna go touch the butt.
Oh, my! God bless you, little one.
The mouse was in bed with a miserable cold.
It is not fair. Why is it that we are ill and Madeline is not? Achoo! Oh, Chloe, if Madeline gets sick, she would not be able to bring us tea. We will just have to celebrate Christmas in bed. And that is all we can do. I must leave my whole menagerie here. My mother has developed an allergy.
Achoo! The horse must go. Achoo! 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 My allergy is back. What else can I do?
If I had actually been near a cat, I'd be sneezing my brains out. See, I'm allergic to cat. I'm allergic to hay. I'm allergic to
Excuse me, pardon me. Kids love me, and I love kids. Oh, I love the kid and the kid. The kid. The cat.
I already got dibs on all your meals. Gotta do better than that.
Ew, gross.
No, Gary. If I had the suds, I'd have bubbles coming out of me. I can't get the suds because then I'll have to miss work.
SpongeBob?
Here's that patty you wanted, Mr. Krabs, sir. Oh, Gary, I feel horrible. Oh, who am I kidding, Gary? I've got the suds, no doubt about it. I better take care of this before it gets out of hand.
Exactly.
There's no such thing as the Chip and Cheddar Witch.
It's the Chip and Cheddar Witch. Run for your lives. Oh, no. Oh, dear. Excuse me,
said Dragon.
Dragon? No. I think you're right.
Dragon had come down with a case of the snuffles. Taking care of his snuffles. Sometimes, Dragon was so clever he surprised even himself. Dragon hoped he would be able to sleep.
Salute, George.
When you sneeze or cough, that's your lungs squeezing together and trying to force out the bad germs. I wish I could say the same. Oh, thank you, George.
That would be really good. Excuse me. Thank you. Wow! Oh, poor Binu.
What's the matter, Iggle Piggle? Oh! Oh! Bless you, Iggle Piggle. Oh? Bless you.
Woo! Daisy Jew. Oh,
What's that sound?
oh, Upsy Daisy. Oh, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy.
Oh!
Woo! Upsy Daisy.
Bless you, Iggle Piggle.
Daisy Jew.
Oh, bless you, Upsy Daisy.
Daisy Jew.
Bless you, Upsy Daisy.
Oh, Upsy Daisy.
Bless you, Upsy Daisy.
Upsy Daisy. Oh, Daisy Daisy.
Bless you, Upsy Daisy. What a sneezy dance. Oh, bless you, Tombliboo Ann. Bless you, Tombliboo Oo. Bless you, Tombliboo Ee. Bless you again, Tombliboo Ann. Bless you again, Tombliboo Oo. Bless you again, Tombliboo Ee. Oh, bless you, Upsy Daisy. What lovely stones, Makapaka. Oh, bless you, Makapaka. Oh dear, Makapaka, are you going to sneeze? What is that sound? Oh dear, Makapaka. Oh dear, Upsy Daisy. Oh dear, Eagle Piggle.
By my calculations, we need rescuing now! Achoo! I think I'm allergic to whales.
It's working!
Where are they? Where are they?
Who are you?
Summer!
Hello.
If I may. Plan attack. I'm giving you the sun, the moon, and the sky. They come in threes. I'm fine. Surprise, surprise, this one especially.
Wow, you've got me reeling, but I'm still concerned for you. I think it's time that you go home and get some rest.
We are not stopping, cause the next one is a bet.
Aww.
And I love you too. So we're making today a perfect day.
All that's left to do is for the queen to blow the birthday bugle horn.
No. best birthday present ever.
Which one?
You letting me take care of you.
This way, Nessa, this way. Nessa? Where are you? Achoo! I'm here! Achoo! 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 Oh! Perfect.
We're all together again.
Which means we can all go home, right? Huh? Why would you want to leave? Because we're all sneezing and our eyes are stinging. Achoo!
Dora, what are we gonna do? Achoo! Something in here is making me sneeze. Achoo! Salud, mochila!
Backpack, backpack, yeah!
Achoo! Something in here is making me sneeze. Let's see. I've got a raincoat, a pair of socks, a comb, a banana, a yo-yo, and some pepper. Which one makes you sneeze? The pepper, right! Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Achoo! The whale is starting to sneeze. Let's help him do a really big sneeze. Say, achoo! Even bigger! Achoo! I got ya, Swiper! Yay!
I beg your pardon. It's just that I've never seen a duck.
Making a fool out of me. Oh, my head.
Hi, Mr. Uh-oh. Mr. Noodle has a sneeze in his nose. Gazan. Gazante. Oh, come back, Mr. Noodle. Boy, that was some sneeze. Ready for Dorothy's question, Mr. Noodle? We'll wait. Very pretty. Uh-oh. Oh. Are you okay, Mr. Noodle? Oh. You okay? Good.
Yeah.
Oh, he stopped.
Oh!
Gesundheit, McMeer.
Did I miss something? I'm here, and I brought lunch. Oh, no bananas left. That looks like yummy fruit. It would be a shame to waste it. Gesundheit, McMeer.
Coming to get you.
Achoo! Huh?
Found you.
Only because I keep sneezing, Sally. Achoo! Oh. Thanks.
You're most welcome.
It's the cat.
The cat in the achoo hat. Can we go? Achoo. See him?
Your mother will not mind at all if you do. There's Muddy Feet Waterhole. And that must be Cluey Louie.
Sounds more like Sneezy Wheezy to Meezy.
Where is Cluey Louie?
Oh, he's working hard to solve a puzzle. There he is.
2!
In his house.
You've arrived at just the right time. I'm sneezing too.
You're more like Chewy Louie today.
The chest, throat, and nose all work together to blast air out of the nose.
Why did Cat close his eyes?
Nobody can sneeze with their eyes open. Uh-oh. Sneeze coming.
You're right. Your eyes do close every time you sneeze.
Cluey Louie to Cat. I'm gonna sneeze.
Hang on, Louie.
There must be some itchy stuff here. I see it! There!
Ha-ha!
I got it! We found the itchy stuff! Whoa! Let's go!
Can I just point out that we can't go anywhere? We're totally stuck!
Press the bigamaboodle! Gesundheit!
It's achoo!
That's what's making you sneeze. But you don't need to stop.
Achoo!
Because sneezing's such fun and quite useful, too.
Together again. Oh, you are soaking wet.
Well, it's about time.
It won't work!
Hurry, Father! Climb aboard!
We never get by those teeth!
Yes, we will!
Hey, which way you go? Wait for me!
Hang on! Here we go!
Gesundheit.
Wir gehen back!
No, we'll make it fast! Fast!
It's not us!
We made it!
Flowers. Look, goldenrod.
Don't do it. Take him away. By dose. By hay fever. You know I can't stand it. I can't. I can't. Thanks.
And you... You're sneezing!